A little bit about our guests. The Microsoft Corporation is an American multinational technology corporation producing computer software, consumer electronics, personal computers, and related services. Headquartered at the Microsoft campus in Redmond, Washington, Microsoft's best-known software products are in the Windows line of the operating systems, the Microsoft Office suite, and the Internet Explorer and Edge web browsers. Microsoft, most of you probably don't know this, went public in March of 1986 in what many analysts dubbed as the IPO of the year. It is one of the big 5 American information technology companies alongside Google, Amazon, Apple, and Meta.
With that said, it is truly my pleasure to welcome back Microsoft's Tanya Mahan-Rogers, Director of Customer Success, and Alfred Ojukwu, Senior Service Specialist in Health and Life Sciences. With over 4,000 members globally, Blacks at Microsoft continues to have intentional and meaningful impact within the Microsoft and the broader community. The partnership between Globe and BAM has grown year to year, and it's great to see where we are today.
We look forward to our continued partnership. And now please join me in welcoming Tanya and Alfred to the podium for their remarks.
Thank you, Jamil and Michael and Nasdaq for this opportunity. And thank you, Alfred, for joining me today. This year, we celebrate the 34th anniversary of Blacks at Microsoft, affectionately known as BAM, the first and oldest ERG at Microsoft. Each day, we get the opportunity to live our mission to empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more. Our commitment to diversity and inclusion permeates through our innovative solutions, our community engagement, and the way we activate our customers, partners, and stakeholders. Microsoft recognizes that innovation is inclusion, and when you are given the space to own your own power, you also empower and enlighten those around you. Inclusion allows companies to reclaim the collective wisdom of their stakeholders, encouraging the adoption of diverse ideas and new ways to solve problems. And that ultimately delivers a stronger company and improved share growth. And Microsoft has and will deliver through uncertainty while maintaining our innovative, inclusive posture towards driving growth. And now I'm going to ask Alfred to share the impact of BAM at Microsoft.
Our Black History Month theme is In Our Renaissance Era. Enlightening, reclaiming, and activating ensures a future where Black culture and Black communities are respected, flourish, and prosper. Our geographically dispersed chapters are empowered to deliver programs that bring life to this theme. Through connectivity, we strive to achieve a strong representation of Blacks and African Americans employees throughout all levels. Microsoft's D&I strategy includes attracting and advancing talent, advocating for businesses and national change, and building allyship. We are honored to join partners at Globe as we ring the closing bell and continue the celebration of Black History Month throughout the year. Thank you.
So on behalf of Nasdaq, I'd like to present you with the Nasdaq Closing Bell Crystal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.